back to our YouTube channels, The Wow Effects. So today I'm going to show you two powerful, easy to do but effective card trick. But it's compiled into one routine that you can show to friend, relative, lover or anybody you know, and you can learn it in just around 20 minutes to do these two tricks. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so to perform this trick, just need a normal deck of cards. Okay, so you will ask the spectator to choose one card, any card that you like. Just spread down the card and maybe this card. Okay, you ask the spectator to remember the card, memorize the card, right? You remember it? Okay, I will put it back in the middle of the deck and give a cut, or even I will shuffle the deck so nobody knows where is the card, right? But to do this trick, to find out your card, I will need the help of two friends. Maybe I will use the first card, the top card, and the last card, the bottom card, to help me to do this trick, right? So what we will do, we put it on the top and under the bottom like this. Okay, nothing happened. But when I do the magic move, there will be one card appear in the middle of these two cards. Is this your chosen card? Alright, so I will show you one more trick. Maybe we put this, your chosen card, back into the middle of the deck and give it a cut. So again, the card is lost somewhere inside the deck. But these two friends will one more time to help me to do this trick. Okay, I just put it like this and give the deck a cut. Very simple. When I do the magic move, if you look carefully, there will be one card appear in the middle of my two friends. Is this your card again? Right, so now I will show you how these two tricks are done, and I believe that you can learn it in just around 20 minutes to wow your friend. Okay, are you ready to learn the trick? So, this card trick is just done with the normal bicycle deck of card or any deck of card that you have in your at home. Okay, it's just a normal card, no gimmick, nothing hidden inside the card. Right, but to do these two tricks, I will show you some moves that you need to learn. The first one is how to control your card into the position that you want. To do this, when you ask the spectator to choose one card for you, any card that they like, maybe this one, they turn this card like this. So what you do, you move it up here, or you move it into a side like this, or up here, any way that you want. And then you pull it back and you put this part onto the top, but you will use your pinky finger to create a break so you will know where is the chosen card. Okay, so it's here. When I pull this pie back into this pie, I put my pinky finger here like this. So there you break. Okay, in this angle, you see very carefully, this is a break. But in this angle, it looks normal, right? But you know where is the chosen card. So this is the first move. Okay, so for the first trick, as I show you, the customer, the spectators, pick up one card. This card, okay, I will put it back in the middle of the decks. So you see, I have a break. Now, what you want to do is control this card into the top position. So what you will do, you cut the decks like this, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 times, how many you want, it's up to you. And then put this part back into the top. So now the top card is the chosen card. Alright, what you want to do next, you want to control this card into the second position from the bottom. So you want to control this card into this position. Okay. So what should you do? You will shuffle the decks. You hold the thumb on the top card and a finger down here in the bottom. Okay, the index finger in the bottom and the thumb and on the top card. And then you pull out, you do this quickly, okay? Pull out the top, these two cards, the bottom card and the top card. Pull out like this. So now the chosen card at the second position from the bottom. Okay, and then you continue the shuffle. Right. So say that nobody knows where is the card, but I will need two friends. Why I do this? Because I will need two friends. So maybe we pick up the top card and the bottom card. So you reveal the top card and you reveal the bottom card. So it makes the spectator believe that the top card not their card and the bottom card also not their chosen card. But now the bottom card is the spectator chosen card. What you do next is you do the move that make this chosen card appear in between these two cards. And it's also very simple. You put one card back onto the top, and then you put one more under the bottom. And then you transfer the whole deck of cards into this hand like this. But you use the finger, this hidden finger like this, to touch this card, to touch the chosen card, and then you hold it like this. Okay, so the thumb here to keep the top card, and then this finger keep the bottom and also the chosen card, and then snap your hand, just throw. Okay, I do it one more time. Snap your hand and then throw the deck like this. Then this chosen card, it keep in between the two cards. Okay, do it one more time. So I put this card on the top, put this card under the deck. Okay, when I snap my finger, one card appear under in between these two cards, and this is the chosen card. Okay, this is how the first trick is done. For the second trick, okay, so you put these two cards aside and you say that maybe I do it one more time. So what I need to do is put your card back into the middle of the deck like this. Okay, and give it a cut. It's the top card. How can I do it? Very easy. You will try to put it into the middle of the deck, but just pretend to put it into the middle of the deck. How can you do that? When you do the mid direction, you say that these two cards will happy again, but when I point out to this, or I keep my eye on these two cards, I do this move. I pull out the top card. Now the chosen card here. So I pull out this chosen card. Okay. Oh, sorry. So I pull out this card. Okay. Just the chosen card still pull out, and then when I pull it back, I keep another break. Just only one card. I do a break with only one card. Okay. So then I hold this card and I put it back. So I pretend to put it back into the middle, okay? But it gets stuck, so there will be some card go like this, and then I put it down here. So it looks like this card go in the middle of the deck, right? So I put it all the way through, okay? And then just give a cut, but with one card only, like this. So it go back on the top. I do it one more time. So these two cards will help me to do the trick again. I will put it in the middle of the deck, and then give it a cut. Very simple, slow motion. These two cards will help me to do this trick. Okay, these two cards will help me to do this trick. And then I put the card back like this on the way through and give a cut. Now the card back onto the top, right? So what you will do next? You will say, this helped me to do the trick. Very easy. I put it back on the top, but what you will do, another break. So you do it one more time. Put the two cards on the top, okay, and then you spread the top card out. So now the chosen card in between this card, okay, spread out and put it back on the top, and then give a cut and squeeze the deck and pretend to do the magic move. Snap your finger and then spread down the card. One card will appear in between these two cards. Is this your chosen card? I believe it is. Okay, very simple, easy but effective routine that you can do and learn in just around 20 minutes. I think so. Okay, so if you like these two tricks, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video on how to do magic. We love to share this passion with you, so please follow us to have more video. Thanks for your watching and see you next time.